To trade on Axiom Pro, you'll first need to create an account. Once you have your account, you can navigate to the Discover section, where you can find various coins, or browse through polls. It's essential to set your filters and select a coin you're interested in buying. Please note that it's crucial to do your research and exercise caution, as the majority of coins are scams. If you find a coin you'd like to purchase, you can click on it and access the buy and sell options on the right side. You can choose to buy or sell using market, limit, or advanced options. Additionally, you may see preset options for slippage, priority, and bribe fees, which can be customized by selecting preset 1, 2, or 3, and then adjusting the settings as needed. You can also enable math protection or use a custom RPC if desired. After configuring your settings, you can proceed to buy a coin using the market, limit, or advanced feature. Once you've completed your purchase, you can trade, sell, or hold your coins in your wallet. Trading on Axiom Pro is relatively straightforward, but it's essential to proceed with caution and only invest in coins you're confident about, as the risk of scams is high.